We are recording. So thanks very much, Amy. Thanks very much, everyone, for being here. The wonderful lineup of speakers, but also the great audience of people who today may perhaps find this useful and may perhaps transmit it to other people, right? And I was commissioned a 5-minute introduction, essentially because I'm a professor of genetics and I direct the EGA here in Barcelona. And I didn't really know what to say, right? But today I was driving to a meeting and I realized that as I was leaving Barcelona, I realized because some news item in the radio that today, this year is Cajal's year. And it's interesting because people don't usually know this. The first time in the history of humanity in which a neuron was observed was in the city of Barcelona. Ramon y Cajal was working in Barcelona when, for the first time, he observed a neuron under the microscope, right? So we could say Barcelona, la ciudad de la neurona, but we don't because it's such a very easy rhythm. Now, the thing is, when you reflect upon this will not happen anymore. Like the idea of a scientist working by himself or herself in some basement and making a great discovery, this whole idea is an outdated idea. Science nowadays is a collective effort. And today, in the session today, we will see which kind of collective effort it is. We will see that, first of all, the scientific community needs to share data. And so we will tell you about data sharing, about data discovery, EGA and Beacon. But also we will tell you that the scientific community needs to share data in a ways that data can be analyzed using more or less centralized system, right? You have to move data about, you have to move algorithms about, and GPAP will be an example of this. And also, we will realize that not only analysis and discovery and data sharing, but also interpretation and making sense of this data is something that is absolutely fundamental. And that's also the result of a collective effort, putting together the collective intelligence of every body in the planet and all the discoveries they have made and make this knowledge accessible. And that's what DGenet does, right? Amongst many other things that GPAP and EGA and Beacon and EGA do, right? So this collective effort of sharing data, analyzing it together, interpreting it together, is what is making, as we speak, personalized medicine possible today. And this is totally different about the kind of science we had 100 years ago, which could definitely be a personal and individual enterprise, right? Anyway, so I do hope you enjoy. I have had the opportunity before to listen to the speakers today. They are great. And please do not hesitate to be in contact with any of us if doubts appear, if things happen. We do hope this is useful for everyone. And that's about it. Thanks very much.